Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I am responsible to present topic 2.0 cell structure and function with subtopic 2.1 prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. For lecture purpose, we are focused on subtopic 2.1 prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Hopefully, after watching this video, students should be able to state the three principles of cell theory. What is a cell? A cell is a membrane-bounded unit that contains DNA and cytoplasm. All organisms are cell or aggregate of cell descendant of the first cell. Please look at a cluster of a single plant cell in a suspension culture under the microscope at a magnification of 400x. Based on cell theory, the cell is the basic unit of life. All organisms, whatever their type of size, are made up of cells. Some organisms are unicellular, which are made up of just one cell. For example, amoeba species and paramecium species. Some organisms are multicellular, which are composed of many cells and usually has organized tissue, organ, and system. The concept that cells are the basic unit of life is contained in the theory of cellular organization called the cell theory. The cell theory provides the unifying concept in all living things. The cell theory was introduced by Matthias Verdens 1938 and Theodor Swan 1839. The cell theory includes the following three principles. First, the cell is the building block of structure in living things. Second, the cell is derived from other cells by division. Third, the cell contains inherited information which control their activity. For example, growth, development, and cell functioning. For the first cell theory, which is the cell is the building block of structure in living things, we can use muscle in the human arm as an example. From thread-like component of a muscle cell become parts of one muscle cell and become bundles of muscle cells. Second cell theory is the cell is derived from other cell by division. Cell is arise only from previously existing cell. Cell passing copies of their genetic material on to their daughter cell. Prokaryotes reproduce asexually generally by binary fission, a process in which one cell divides into two similar cells. In eukaryote, cell may divide by mitosis, meiosis, or both. The third cell theory is the cell contains information that is used as instruction for growth, development, and functioning, which is